Hi guys, today we are unboxing the Eureka Zenith Club E coffee grinder. Wow.
If we can put somewhere, okay, we are not cafeteria here.
And go a little bit further here. Okay, so we have the keyboard here.